Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. And Demi, my partner's here today. Yay. And we're going to learn Mr. Lonely, really fun beginner line dance. Here's a preview of the steps for Mr. Lonely. Block, step, block, step, block, step, block, step, touch, slide, stomp, stomp, slide, stomp, stomp, heel in, heel in, heel in, heel and touch it, and half pivot, half pivot. That's it. 2 walls. Let's break it down, and then I'll show you some hat fun and some variations that are very popular. So it starts on the diagonal with the right foot, weight on left, and we do 4 locks, but the last lock ends with a touch. So it's right, left, right, left, right, left, right, touch left. That's the first 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Second 8. We go back the same way. We're going to go back the way we came on the diagonal with our left foot and a big slide. Slide back. Stomp on the right. Stomp. Stomp. Second time you stomp, put your weight on it so you can slide again on the left. Slide. Stomp. Now don't put your weight on it. Do 2 stomps, pick it back up. Yes. So it's second 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put those first 2 together on the diagonal with our lock steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, lock it, step, lock it, step, lock it, step, touch, slide, stomp, stomp, slide, stomp, stomp. Good. That's half the dance. So we start slide, stomp, stomp. Right heel, turn, left heel, step. Right heel, turn, left heel, step. Good. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, the 4th set of 8 is we start with right touch left, left touch right, 2 half pivots, 2 half pivots, pivot, and a pivot. But weight ending with your weight on your left, you're ready to start again on the diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put it all together. All 4 8s. 5, 6 with words first. Step, lock, step, lock, step, lock, step, touch, slide, stomp, stomp, slide. So get ready with your heel and a turn and a heel and a turn and a touch and a touch and a turn and a turn. Start again. Yes, with counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. And some fun styling options. I'll show you the wall, first styling option. After you do your step, da, 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 da. Sometimes they turn a quarter over their left shoulder to do the slide, stomp, stomp, slide, stomp, stomp. So if they do that, don't worry, that's common. And then they do the heels, but sometimes they do exaggerated, more hips than heels. And that's common too. So that's 2 styling options. A little wall change and more hips than heels. The next one is the hat one. And I just think that's so fun. So when you're going forward on your diagonal, you hold your hat. So it's step, lock, step. And you look down. 6, 7, 8. When you go back, you take it off. So, and circle it around. Whoops. Stomp, stomp. Circle it. Stomp, stomp. And then the heels, you tip it 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those are the hat options. Fun, huh? One more time with the hat. I lost my feather. Oh well. Okay, with the hat. 5, 6, 7. Look down. Step. Lock, step. Lock, step. Lock, step. Touch. Slide. Stomp, stomp. Slide. Stomp, stomp. Heel, 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 heel. Touch it, turn it, turn it. Fun options for Mr. Lonely. Have fun. Bye-bye.